Have you ever wondered why AirBNB has become one of the most successful companies in the world? Let me tell you a story about a company that started from a simple idea and has since grown to revolutionize the travel industry. But more than that, it's a story about people who believed in their idea and worked tirelessly to make it a reality. In 2008, three friends were struggling to pay their rent in San Francisco. To make ends meet, they decided to rent out air mattresses in their living room to attendees of a local conference. And just like that, AirBNB was born. But it wasn't an easy journey. The company started with just a handful of listings and had to convince people to trust strangers and stay in their homes. It was a big ask, but AirBNB's co-founders believed in the power of shared experiences and the idea of belonging anywhere. Today, AirBNB has grown to offer over 7 million listings in more than 220 countries. But what sets AirBNB apart from traditional accommodations is the sense of community and belonging it creates. Guests can live like locals, and hosts can share their culture and stories with people from all over the world. However, with success also came challenges. AirBNB faced regulatory issues, fraud, and safety concerns. But the company didn't shy away from these issues. Instead, they took a proactive approach to address these challenges and improve their platform. AirBNB's future plans are focused on expanding beyond traditional accommodations. They're investing in new experiences, such as tours and activities, to give travelers even more ways to explore new places. And they're constantly innovating and improving their platform to provide the best possible experience for everyone. AirBNB's ultimate goal is to make travel more accessible, inclusive, and sustainable. They believe that by creating a sense of belonging, they can help break down cultural barriers and promote understanding and empathy. And it seems to be working. AirBNB's revenue has continued to grow year on year, reaching $3.4 billion in 2019. Revenue in 2020 and 2021 got affected due to pandemic, but in 2022, the company went profitable with the revenue of $8.4 billion. Yes, you heard that right, $8.4 billion. So, why do we believe that AirBNB will never run out of business? There are a few key reasons. First, AirBNB's focus on creating a sense of community and belonging is a unique value proposition that sets them apart from traditional accommodations. People don't just stay in an AirBNB property, they become part of a community of travelers and hosts who share their love of travel and exploration. This sense of connection is something that people crave, and it's not something that can be easily replicated by other companies. Second, AirBNB's commitment to innovation and constant improvement means that they are always adapting to the changing needs of their customers. From introducing new features to addressing regulatory challenges, AirBNB has shown that they are willing to take on difficult problems and find creative solutions to them. Finally, AirBNB's expansion into new areas, such as experiences and tours, means that they are not solely reliant on traditional accommodations. This diversification of their business model is a smart strategy that will help them weather any future challenges or changes in the market. All of these factors, combined with AirBNB's strong brand recognition and loyal customer base, make us confident that they will continue to thrive and innovate for many years to come. What do you think, guys? Do AirBNB have a future in the coming years? Do let us know in the comments section. See you in the another video. Take care.